Alright, I'm just going to show you what I'm working on today. It's a pretty it's a crack that's in a difficult spot. I have to take the rear tail light out. So the crack starts here and it goes all the way. And so this came out, and he's got the replacement in there because this was cracked anyway. So I'll put the new one in when I'm done. Obviously it's been painted before. You can kind of tell when it's spider webs like this, and you can see some of the previous work done. I don't know if you can see that. So that's the rear bumper, and here's the front. So you kind of got that, and then this is kind of a crack that will be able to heat up and push back in. I don't think I'll have to get behind it and do the crack filler stuff, but that should go back into place pretty easy. So yeah, this will be probably about a 5-hour job because of that crack on the rear bumper. So anyways, keep you posted, take some pictures and put them up. Have a great day. Alright, so I got it to primer, so I'm just going to show you where it's at now. In the front, which was a lot easier. So I'm just about to mix the paint, scuff down the primer, paint it and clear it. So catch you later. Alright, we're all done. Let's check it out. And the front bumper. So yeah, it turned out great. It was a lot of work on that rear bumper in particular with that crack right below the taillight, but it turned out great, so really happy with it. And so I'm just going to show the customer. Have a great day. Thanks again for watching. If you'd like a quote or to schedule a repair, please go to greenreconditioning.com, greenreconditioning.com. And if you'd like to learn about how you could do this as a business for yourself, go to greenrecontraining.com. Thanks again.